The PPX extension identifies a Serif PagePlus document file containing desktop publishing layout data from Serif's PagePlus application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or convert these page layout files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful PPX inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. PPX files are publication document files for Serif PagePlus, a desktop publishing application for creating professional layouts. They contain multi-page designs with text frames, images, master pages, styles, and print-ready compositions for brochures, newsletters, and marketing materials. Serif PagePlus PPX files use a proprietary format storing page layouts, text frame threading, linked graphics, master page definitions, paragraph styles, and production settings. They support multi-page documents with professional print output capabilities. The recommended application from Serif, Europe Limited for handling PPX, is unequivocally Serif PagePlus. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows gives only partial previews, making advanced editing dependent on layout software. We're testing the file structure now. Right-click the PPX file and choose Open With. If Serif PagePlus is installed, start there. If not, select another application. Different apps handle edge cases uniquely. If your PPX file will not open yet, do not panic. The problem with this PPX file isn't complicated, it's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, opening the document. Install Serif PagePlus to open PPX files natively. Launch the application and open the PPX file via File, then Open. PagePlus displays the complete publication with all pages, formatting and linked resources for editing and output generation. Next, exporting to PDF. Navigate to File, then Export as PDF in PagePlus. Configure PDF settings including resolution, color management, and pre-press options. Generate press-ready PDF output for commercial printing, or screen-optimized PDF for digital distribution. Finally, migrating to Affinity Publisher. Since PagePlus is discontinued, migrate to Affinity Publisher by Serif. Export PPX documents as PDF from PagePlus. Import the PDF into Affinity Publisher for continued editing. Recreate complex layouts using Affinity Publisher's professional publishing tools. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.